only thing I don't like about this campsite is the ants.
Things I wish I knew. It's a dark and shiny place. Times were swallowed up in space. Space, we're here a million miles away. We're lying on the moon. My dear, I'm here with you. Shadow follows me all day, making sure